Let's get an word from our correspondent Amita Shetge, who's joining us live from outside Matoshri in Mumbai this morning. Amita, all eyes on Uddhav Thackeray on how he responds to the BJP's what it seems latest offer.
Definitely, all eyes are on Uddhav Thackeray and Shiv Sena. I'm standing outside Matoshri. Today also there will be series of meetings will take place here at Matoshri. Yesterday we have seen that many senior leaders were coming here to meet Uddhav. Uddhav Thackeray was taking the meetings with all the leaders. Uddhav Thackeray has already taken a meeting from all over Maharashtra leaders. But now today is an important day as the deadlock still continues. This is almost the 5th day. But BJP has called a very important meeting in the BJP office at Dadar that will start at around 11 this morning. And after that meeting, there is a possibility of some outcome about the seat sharing conflict which is going on in 25 years old alliance of Shiv Sena and BJP. And also we have to remember that all alliance small parties have given deadline till 3 p.m. That will be ending today afternoon, and because of that we have to wait and watch what decision they take. Because RPI has said that we want 20 seats, the other party has said that we want 10 seats, but somewhere the final formula of Shiv Sena says that only 18 seats will be given to the small alliance parties. So small alliance parties are not happy. They have given deadline that ends today afternoon. So we have to wait and watch what exactly happens, what decision they exactly take. And the important meeting of BJP will start this morning at 11. That will be an important meeting, and we will get to know what decision BJP takes after that.
Absolutely, and a crucial development also that telling headlines today that Amit Shah also met Narendra Modi last night to finalize the BJP's course of action. Amita, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more. Meanwhile, all is not well in the Congress NCP camp either. Both sides have dug in their heels. The NCP insisting on its demand of 144 seats against the Congress's offer of 125. Top Congress and NCP leaders will now meet today in a last-ditch attempt to resolve the seat-sharing deadlock and salvage the 15-year-old alliance. Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan called an emergency meeting of the Parliamentary Board at his official residence last night to discuss the party's stand before today's crucial meeting with the NCP. According to sources, the Congress is open to give 15 more seats to the NCP, although both parties have played down talks of a split. But seat sharing has been the bone of contention for a long time.
This evening, I got a phone call from Shri Praful Patel informing that they would like to have a face-to-face meeting with the Congress leaders, state leaders, and they requested a meeting to be held tomorrow, that is, since it's late today, at 10 o'clock.
एक तो हमने स्पष्ट कर दिया है कि जो सीट हमने उनको कहा है कि पिछले वक्त जो चुनाव लड़े 2009 में से कुछ सीट हम जरूर छोड़ेंगे, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा वो नहीं होगा जो दोनों के बीच का रास्ता कुछ निकालने की कोशिश होगी अगर मंजूर हो तो.
For more on this story, let's get in a word from Kamlesh Sutar, who's joining us live from outside the Chief Minister's residence in Mumbai. Also with us, Ashar Ahmed Khan, our Deputy Editor, who's at the Congress headquarters in the national capital. I'm going to come to you first, Kamlesh. Any word on what exactly was discussed at that meeting that took place at Prithviraj Chavan's residence last night?
Well, Simi, it's all going to be about number crunching, just like the Sena BJP, where everything is stuck only for a few seats. The Congress NCP alliance even is stuck with a number of seats where the NCP is demanding an equal share of the 288 seats. The NCP is till lately was adamant on 144 seats, but sources within the NCP say that if the alliance would have been on respectable terms, some seats like 134 or 136 would have been acceptable to the NCP. But Congress is saying that they are willing to give extra seats to the NCP, but that will be additional 10 seats which the NCP had given to the Congress in 2004 elections when the NCP had contested 124 seats. But NCP leaders say that it will be bringing down the number to the same as it was earlier, and NCP wants more seats to their kitty as they have their power in the state has grown. But that is going to be the key issue, that key agenda for the meeting that will take place in some time from now at the Chief Minister's residence. Senior NCP leaders including Praful Patel, Ajit Pawar and Chhagan Bhujbal will be attending from the NCP, and Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan Manikrao Thakre and other senior Congress leader will be present. Whether there will be any outcome remains to be seen. Though the NCP has hinted that they are working towards a solution, but if the seat, the problem over seat sharing is not sorted out, there seems to be hardly any solution that is coming out.
All right, Kamlesh, stay on with us. It's also getting a word from Ashar, who's with us live from Delhi. Ashar, can the Congress party actually afford to drive a hard bargain considering its performance in the Lok Sabha elections?
Well, it's not exactly. Apart from the seats, the basic issue here is that what is the relevance of the Congress party in seats which it has not contested in the last 15 years. Now, it is the battle of relevance with which the Congress is looking at it. There is a sizable section within the Congress and also leaders from Maharashtra who are saying that Congress should go alone because it will enthuse the cadres. The workers will come out, they'll be on the streets. There are workers in constituencies where they've not faced an election of a Congress symbol and a Congress candidate for the last 15 years. While on the other hand, there are some who say that we should not give in too much. We've given them about 10 to 11 extra seats and the matter should rest there. The other thing which the Congress is fearing is that after the elections there is a chance that NCP might align with other parties if there is a government formation chance. So that is something which is playing at the back of the Congress mind.
All right, so that crucial meeting planned at the Chief Minister's residence at about 11. Thanks so much, Kamlesh and Ashar. We're going to keep coming back to you for more.